You want to learn how to make honey garlic salmon bites served with sticky rice in plantain cups? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Here, I have a piece of salmon. I'm going to cut it in bite-sized pieces. Going to season the salmon bites with my all-purpose seasoning. Turn on the stove. 1 tablespoon oil. To the pan add the salmon bites. Now I'm going to allow them to cook for 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side. To the pan add 1 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon blend garlic. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of honey. Now add the salmon bites. To the plantain cups, I'm going to add sticky rice. On top of the rice, I'm just going to add a piece of avocado / pear. I'm just going to add 1 piece salmon bites on each one of them. Now I'm going to top it off with some garnish. So here you have it, honey garlic salmon bites served with sticky rice, avocado, and this beautiful garnish on top. Look at this. Nice and tasty. Let me know in the comments if you want me to teach you how to make the plantain cups. Look at these. Beautiful. Mmm. So good.